Theravada tradition of Buddhism, which is widely practiced in Southeast Asia. Whereas the Tibetan community from Tibet,
Yeah.
now under China, you know that.
Yeah.
We follow the Mahayana, the greater vehicle, but they are the Buddhists, you know. The only difference is those who prefer the Mahayana, the greater path, they always think of others first. These monks ground to the earth. For them, they think you have to succeed yourself first
Okay.
in order to help humanity.
Okay.
There are those who think if you think of the humanity, you are included in there. But these monks know. First, you have to practice yourself. Be a lesson, give lesson. They have been doing this. It is marvelous. Therefore, despite this cold, everybody's been joining on the road and appreciating them. Good for them. Peace. America needs more peace, right? Thank you.
Thank you.